Mm. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, hi. How are
Good
you?
evening. I'm very good.
Wow, that's great. You look beautiful and amazing today. I love your hair.
It's my own. What do you
Wow. New haircut. It's that new haircut.
know?
It's
It's my
beautiful.
rib.
What?
I comment.
Oh wow. So how are you today?
I'm very good because I have a nice dinner. Very
Wow,
food
what is your dinner?
is pork and rice and some vegetables.
Wow.
How
Fish and rice. All right. So, Diwan, I forgot what is your English name? Can so that can I
Elena?
will jot down in
I
my
will
what is your
write it for you.
English name?
Elena.
What?
Elena.
Ah, Elena. All
Yeah.
right. So, Elena. I will write in my notebook so that I can forget it. Okay. So are you ready to take our lesson tonight? I wear my eyeglasses because it's very what call this? My eyes is getting sleepy when I look at the monitor. That's why I'm wearing my eyeglasses. Okay, so are you ready to take our lesson tonight? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so let's start our discussion tonight. And we have new topic to discuss. Okay, and it's all about wait for a while. Okay, this one. Can you see it?
Yes, I can.
All right, so now our lesson, it's all about grammar tree. Okay, it's all about grammar tree. Unit 1, be subject and pronouns. Okay. All right, so here we go.
Unit 1, page 4, presentation.
Beth, this is Peter. We are neighbours. Peter, Beth is a new student at our school.
Hi, Beth.
Hello, Peter.
This is Lucy, Peter's sister.
Hi, Beth. Are you the new reporter for Teen Link? Yes, I am. Oh, and who are they?
They're my cats, Cosmo and Bella.
And this is a copy of Teen Link.
It isn't now.
Okay, so Elena,
Yes.
did you understand the conversation of these people? Okay, so I will explain. So this is Beth, right? Okay, so Beth said, "Hello, Peter." Peter. Okay, Beth, this is Peter. So this one is Peter. Okay.
Okay.
So she said, "Hello, Peter." And Peter said, "We're neighbors, Peter. Beth is a new student at our school." So this one. Then this is Lucy. So this girl is Lucy, Peter's sister. So they are what? Okay, what happened? Okay, so wait for a while. Right. Okay, so again, so this is Lucy, Peter's sister. Then she replied, "Yes, I am. Hi, Beth. Are you the new reporter for Thin Link?" Then said Lucy. Then, "And who are they?" So Beth is asking, "Who are they?" Then, "They're my cats," said this one. Cosmo and Bella. So this one is Cosmo and Bella. And this is a copy of Tin Link. It isn't now. Oh, he said. Okay, next. All right, so now complete the tables. Can you hear me, Elena?
Yes.
Okay, so task 1, complete the tables. So here is the table. Like positive, I am. You, we, there, or there. He, she, it is. Then negative, I am not. You, there aren't. And he, she, it isn't. Next, we have are you, are we, then is he, is she, or is it? All right. Then we have also the short answer. Yes, I. No, I'm not. Yes, you, we, they are. No, you, we, they aren't. Yes, he, she, it, and no, he, she, it isn't. Okay, next we have WH questions. We have what, who, where, who, you, we, they, where, who is. All right, next. Okay, so this is the answer. They are. It's. They are not. It is not. Then, am I? Yes, I am. Who are they? And who are? He, she, and it. Okay, next we have, okay. So take task 2. Read the information. Okay, so now I will read and listen. B. We can use a noun, an adjective, or a phrase with a preposition after be. I am a student. He's tall. They're in the kitchen. So that's the example. In the negative, there are two short forms for is not and are not. She isn't English. She's not English. We aren't thirsty. We're not thirsty. We usually use the short form of the verb when we speak. I'm not very hungry. Lucy isn't here. All right. So when we answer yes to a question, we can't use the short form of the verb. A, are these your glasses? Yes, they are. Then we have also the subject pronouns. We can use subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, they instead of a name or noun. Peter is in my class. He's my friend. So he used the word his. Then the boys are at home. They're in the garden. Then the last one, we use it for things and animals. But we often use he and she for pets when we know that the gender of an animal. This is Cosmo. He's my cat. This is Bella and she's my cat. So example, this is Elena and she is studying. Okay, can you give me some example?
Mm,
What else? You have any idea?
I have is Bella.
What?
This is
She is?
uh this is Alan, not Bella. This is Alan. He is my school.
Alright, so she is Alan.
This is Alan.
Okay,
He
so he
is
is Alan and
he is my school.
he is your?
School.
Okay, so the name of the school is Alan.
My pet.
It's your pet. Okay, all right. So what kind of pet is that? Animals?
School.
What?
I will write for you.
Okay. So let's proceed. Let's talk later about that. Okay? Lena, are you listening?
Yes.
Okay, so let's proceed next. Okay, so we have here task 3 complete with is, or, are. Okay, so can you answer this following 8 questions using is, or, are? Okay, it's that clear? Put your answer in the space provided.
Okay.
All right, so are you done? Peter and Harry are neighbors. Okay, let's check if it is correct. If Peter and Harry are, okay, very good, correct. Then Beth is a reporter for Thin Link. Correct, because Beth is only one person. That's why it's a singular. While here is plural because there are 2 persons included in the sentence, Peter and Harry. Then here's a copy of Tin Link. It is the New School magazine. All right, very good again. Then Cosmo and Bella. So there are 2. So are Harry's cats. Are, using are. Then look, there's Lucy. She blank Peter's sister. All right, so she is Peter's sister. Very good again. Then, hi, I am Kim. What's your name? Very good. Then my friend and I are in the school football team. Very good again. And hurry up. Okay, for the last, do you think it is correct or no? Okay, so let's find out your answer. Hurry up, you are late for school. Okay, very good. Elena, give me some high five. Okay, very good. You are correct. You know how to use the R as plural and singular form. Okay, so here complete with one word. So all you need to do is complete it in one word. One word. Next. Okay, there is another. Like for example, hello, Blanc Kate, and this is my brother. His name Blanc David. We Blanc from London. Hi, I'm Sarah. Okay, can you do it? Put your answer here in the space provided. Get Elena.
Yes.
Can you put your answer in the space provided? You can use text. Text. For example, if you want to write, all you need to do is here, like this. So text. Okay, like for example, Elena. Oh, okay.
I don't have it.
What?
I don't have it. I have the pencil.
Are you done? Are you done?
Okay.
Okay, so are you done, right? Let's check your answer. Number one, hello, I'm Kate, and this is my brother. Okay, I name all right. So name's David. Then so we are right. Then what's this? It's a present for some, and it's his birthday today. Next, where's Michael? So your answer is he is in his room. Then in the living room, Eva, no, she isn't. 5 hours, the garden. Then look, here are the photos for my birthday. Wow, they're great. This is Anna. She is, what is it? What is it? Okay. She is my best friend, and this is my brother, Matt. They're twins. Okay, next. Are you done? Okay, take your time.
Okay. Hello.
Okay, are you done? Okay, so let's check. It's already this one. Look, here are the photos from my birthday. So wow, they're great. This is Anna. She is my best friend. Then and this is my brother. She, they, and S. Okay, next proceed to. All right, this one. What can you see in the picture? What they are doing?
I understand. There are four people in the picture, and there are two cats, two girls and two boys.
All right, so there are two boys and two girls, right?
Yes. And they are smiling.
Right, they are laughing. So here is the question. Task 6, write questions and short answer. Okay, so here. Please answer this following Elena, here, there, answer. And this is the reason. Okay, take your time to answer.
Um,
Elena,
yes.
okay, take your time. Are you done?
Wait a minute.
Where are you, Elena? Where are you?
I'm here.
Okay, continue answering.
Mm.
Right, Harry Peter's friend. Who are they? Who are they?
They are neighbors.
Betty and Lucy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's check your answer, Elena. Listen. Okay, first, Peter, Lucy's cousin. Your answer is Peter and Lucy cousins. Okay. So, is Peter Lucy cousins? So your answer is no. Is Peter Lucy's cousin? No, he isn't. So your answer is no, he isn't. Then Cosmo and Bella dogs. Are you Cosmo and Bella's dogs? Yes, no, they aren't. Your answer is no, they aren't. Next, bet a doctor. Bet doctor. Okay, bet a doctor. Answer is no, she isn't. Using the be and adjective pronoun. Next. Hmm. Then we have Peter and Harry neighbors, right? Then Harry's sister. Is Lucy's Harry's sister? No, she isn't. Yes, no, she isn't. Then Harry Peter's friend. Is Harry Peter's friend? Yes,
Yes.
he is. Then Peter and Lucy twins. The answer is no, they aren't. Then Tinlick, the new school magazine. Is Tinlick the new school magazine? The answer is yes, it is. All right, so this is the answer using be and pronouns. So this is isn't, aren't, isn't, That is. Okay, so next we have. Okay. Task 7, watch and write the answer. Okay, let's listen first.
Page 6, Exercise 7.
What's your name?
Ben,
How old are you?
12,
Where are you from?
London,
What class are you in?
Class 8C,
What's your favourite subject?
Geography,
How tall are you?
1.5 meters.
Okay, next. Okay, so here, what's your name? Oh, what's your name? Did you listen to the audio? Okay, can I play it again?
Play it again, please.
Play it again?
Yes.
Page 6, Exercise 7.
What's your name?
Ben,
How old are you?
12,
Where are you from?
London,
What class are you in?
Class 8C,
What's your favourite subject?
Geography,
How tall are you?
1.5 meters.
Okay, are you done? So in the audio that you hear, what's name? All right, Ben. Next. How old are they? How old? In the audio that where you listen. So what's that? 11? It's that 11? Ah, Elena, it's 11.
12.
Hello, Elena.
Yes, I'm here.
Then where are you from? So where are you from? Where are you from?
London.
Then what's your favorite subject and what class are you in? So I have here Geography 12 class 8C, Ben, London, and 1.5 meters. Okay. So next, let's proceed. Okay, my name is Ben. What's your name? So she answered, I'm 12. I'm from London. Next, I'm in class 8-6. Then it's geography and 1.5 meters. Okay. So next we have, okay. Oh, I'm sorry, what happened? Okay, next. All right, how about this? Please answer this following. This one, Teen Link. So this is the example of Teen Link. Okay, so read and complete. All right, so all you need to do is read and complete the sentences. Okay, let's try. Answer the following missing answer.
Mm, 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 mm.
Okay, are you done? Oh, why? Why didn't you write?
Because I think I can play
Yes?
in.
I can't hear you. Please louder your voice, Lena.
I think isn't a not for me.
Yes?
So I want to write in.
What do you want?
I want to write in here.
Alright, so you want to write. I can't hear
Yes.
you because your voice is very low. Okay, so next we have, okay, this one picture. I'm the editor, so he is the auditor and class 6C, right?
Yes.
Then,
My classroom isn't very
okay,
big.
next we have, okay, another demonstrator. Wait for a while. Okay, wait for a while. I will check what happened, this one. All right, so next we have, all right. Okay, homework. Okay, this one. Complete the underline. Okay, so this one, Abet's 8. So Abet isn't 8, she's 12. Okay, you will put like this if it is, isn't, or aren't, like that. Okay, answer it. Start
Number 2.
answering number 2.
Harry isn't at home.
They are in school.
Harry's at school. Peter and Harry are cousins. Peter and Harry aren't friends.
Yes.
London in China. London isn't in England.
All right, can you
Giraffe.
answer? Can you put your answer? Even it's only isn't. Don't um don't write the other words. It's only it isn't, she's, like that. So that I can read your answer because I can't hear you clearly. Okay, so can you write your answer? The words only, the correct words.
The correct.
Yes, like for example, it isn't or aren't, is, like that. Okay, are you done? Giraffes
Mm,
are short. We have two pronoun, the negative and the positive. It isn't or aren't. All right, are you done?
Mm,
All right. Are you done answering?
Wait a minute.
About number 7 and 8?
I don't know the number 8. I don't know. Okay.
Okay, and the last number. Anna's from Turkey. Is your answer number 8?
I think Anna is from Turkey.
Okay, let's check
She
your answer.
isn't from Spain.
Okay, so let's check number 1. Your answer is... Okay, why is that?
What happened?
Let's go back. So, Harry's at school. Oh, okay, it's already done talaga. Okay, write questions, then write true answers. Okay, all you all need to do is write true all, then write true answers, the true answers. Okay, this one. How old are you, Elena?
I'm 11.
Okay, then are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. Then where are your school? Where is your school?
My school is Lintron.
Okay, then. What is your classroom? It's big or it's small?
Very big.
Okay, then what is your teacher's name?
My teacher's name is uh Asku.
Okay, and what's
Is
in your bag?
what? What
What's in your inside your bag?
is
All right, then English, your favorite subject. What is your favorite subject?
um English
English. All
and
right, so Elena, it's already time and let's continue tomorrow. Right? Tomorrow. Because we are already done. And let's continue our discussion tomorrow. Okay? For now, bye-bye and see you tomorrow. Good night, Elena. Good
wait,
night.
wait. I want
Yes.
to tell you something.
What?
When I take day off tomorrow,
Tomorrow. Why? Because where are you going?
I have to my is my sister's birthday tomorrow,
Okay,
and
so if you
you very happy.
Can we have a
So-
makeup class next week?
I will say that to my mom, and we
Okay.
can.
Please tell your mom if we can't have a makeup class next week. Okay? Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a nice
Bye-bye.
night.
Good night.
See you.